In this tutorial, let's learn how to create this table about state population, but let's depart from raw data or dirt data. See that California here, the population is 37 millions 2010, and it's still 37 millions 2011. We see a little bit of increase in the size of population for California. This is a table that probably you can find in the books. See that before working, download in Tableau, you have to transform it. You have to clean this table. See that the first row is the title, is not the name of the variables. See that even the rows here, this is the geographic unit, and then this is states. That means there is no homogeneity between the rows. And see that you have two columns, census and estimate base, that is the same, and maybe it's already aggregate values that you don't need. What you want to work actually is with these years 2010, 11, 12, 13 at state level, these numbers here. And you see that in the end of the table you have this additional text here. Let's learn how to clean this, make the data suitable for Tableau. I will open the data set that is in format Excel. This is the data set here. Well, we can click here and see how the data, how Tableau import this, and you have lots of problems here. See the first, no. Yeah, you see that it's a mess. Let's delete this data that is a mess here, remove. And let's activate here the use data interpreter. That means Tableau will try automatically clean the data, and double click here. Well, see that now looks nicer, better. But still, let's make some small changes. For example, in the geographic area here, you have the dot Alaska, dot Arizona. Let's break down these in two columns because I want a variable state level variable. Here, go to custom split, and let's use a dot here to split because dot is the separator, and the two columns. Now this column here is just state level, Alabama, Alaska, Arizona. The data here is in the wide format, 2010, 11, 12, 13, there are columns. For the time series analysis, you want to put these as the long format. That means transform these years, but in a row, not column. Let's do this. Select all the variables, right click, and choose pivot here. Well, see now the years, it's here, and the values is in the another column. Let's change the name here for year, and the name here population, pop. Let's create the graphic now. Drag year, two columns, state, and we want to see the population. Let's change here for color, and the label, let's show label, the numbers. Well, see that you have the first row here, the aggregate population. Let's get rid of this. Let's filter by state, and deselect this first box, that is the aggregate number of the population, and apply. Yeah, this is the table.